Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change birthday on Facebook. So you have to just open the Facebook app on the Android device. So when it's open, so you have to click to the top right corner, three horizontal lines of settings, and you have to again click to the setting and privacy. So there is personal details. So you have to click to the birthday. Again you have to click to the birthday. So here you can change it. You can change the sun, you can change the month and date. So when you have to change, you have to just simple click to the save button. So reason is it is my child birthday. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.